Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start our session. Today is day 3. Uh, we are studying in problem in general physics. I.R. Irodov, famous book in physics. Today's problem are one of the conceptual problems in kinematics. Let's start. First problem. Two boats A and B move away from a buoy anchor at the middle of the river along the mutually perpendicular straight line. The boat along a river and the we having moved off equal distance from the buoy, the boat return. Find the ratio of the time of motion of boats if the velocity is boat represent to what water is gamma. Okay, let's draw the scenario. Okay, this is a river. This is a river. This is called buoy anchored. Anchored means a certain place where it is stepped up. Okay, and then it tells two boats A and B, they are mutually perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular means this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, and they go on this position and then back up. Let's assume each boat with respect to water greater than the stream. Let assume the stream velocity. Okay, stream velocity. Let's draw it different color. Okay, I'll choose what V, and they tell us if the velocity each boat. Okay, so this boat NV and this also NV. Okay, then next up we having moved up an equal distance from the buoy then return. Okay, if you tell that it is D and this is also D. Okay, from this situation we can write that we know that S equal to VT. In this equation we can write that D is equal to NV. Let's assume it is T1. Okay, and D is equal to NV T2. Okay, they tell us that okay, let's assume that, but there will be something. Okay, going in this way, but he have to start in this way. Okay, where it is doing now. Okay, let us assume it is alpha. Okay, because they are going in stream way, nothing but the velocity of string will be add up. Okay, and in this we can write simply with sine alpha. Okay, in this equation, and with sine alpha is equal to, we can write straightforward that, okay, n square v square minus v square. The stream velocity, it is board velocity. Okay. If you ratio them, we'll find T1, T2 will be Vy V into n square minus 1. This will be removed, and thus we can write that after calculating that value, we can write that will be 1.8. Okay, done. First math we have done it. Firstly, this board will be going in stream way, because stream haven't, rather it will be add up, okay, rather it will be add up. Okay, let's move on to next math. Okay, next math. A boat moves relative to water velocity 2 times less than the flow velocity. What will be the angle of drift? Okay, if you draw this scenario, and that is, oh, this say that n time lesser than the velocity. Okay, but then we can write Vy V naught is equal to n. Okay, Vy V naught is equal to n. If that is start on this way, with an angle alpha. The you start. Okay, thus we can write that sorry, d is equal to v sine alpha into t. It is the velocity. Okay, then we can also write that when it will be drift, let us assume the distance will be x. Okay, x is equal to v cos alpha plus v naught into t. Okay, uh, from dividing that equation we can write that x equal to dividing that. Okay, we can write that cot alpha plus and cosec alpha into d. After integrating d with respect to theta, sorry, it will be alpha minimum. If it will be minimum, we can write that cos alpha hundred and okay, done. External alpha. Okay, done done by the method. Okay, let's move on to next math. Two bodies are thrown simultaneously from the same point, one straight up and the other at the angle to the horizontal. the initial velocity of the each body neglecting the add. Okay, they tell us that okay, first that will be there. Okay, what angle? 60 degree. It will be 60 degree. And it is will say that it is straight up. Okay, time 1.70 for each. Okay, at one time we see that it will be there. Okay, try another color. It will do and it will be there. Okay, the distance between them is that. Okay, straight up. Okay, let's say 90 degree. In which height he will reach? Firstly, we know that h समान h is equal to ut minus half gt square. After calculating that, we will find is equal to 28.339. Okay, then it will this equation x v naught cos theta or cos 60 degree t, and the value is 21.25. Okay, and this is also we can achieve that, and this is why. Okay. Y can be achieved by y is equal to u ut cos theta minus half g t square, and that will be 22.65, and this is y 22.65, and all of them 20, and that is 5.69. Okay, 5.69, and that is 28.339. Sorry, 21.25. Okay, using Pythagorean calculus we can calculate that 20 meter, and it is 20 meter. Done. Next math. Let's move on to next math. In this math, mm, at the initial moment the particle were located at the point, okay, horizontally. Find the distance between the particles. Okay, and that math will be homework for you. Let's move on to next math. 11 will be homework for you. Okay. 3 points are located at the vertex of equilateral triangle sides. The math will be easy. Let's draw. Okay, it will be equilateral. Okay, I also draw another, but oof. Let's assume the situation. Okay, in there one, in there one, in there one. Okay, and all of them are V. Okay, in this equilateral triangle we easily learn from that, if that is V, and an angle between us 60 degree, and the change of angle, okay, we can easily write DL, change of angle will be V plus V cos 60, or 3V by 2. Okay, minus DL is equal to 3V by 2 dt. If you integrate 0 to L and 0 to T, we will find that A equal to 3VT by 2. Okay, or or t equal, because all of r a, okay, all of r a, 2a by 3b, done. Point moves uniformly with velocity v, aim to be turn rectilinear uniform velocity. Okay, how soon they will converge? Point A moves in velocity b, continually aim at point B, turn rectilinear. Converge. This is also be homework. This is easy. Okay. Last two maths. Rectilinearly start. In which point velocity of k, we have to find that. Firstly, for 14 we can write x1 is equal to omega t half omega t square, that is also x2 is equal to half omega 90 sorry t plus tau square, okay, t plus tau square, x1 minus x2 will be, if we calculate that, 0.24, done. And next math is v tau is equal to L minus omega t into t plus tau by 2, and thus we can find v is equal to 4.03 meter per second. Okay, 15 is a elevator math. It is also homework. Homework HW. Okay. From till the end, tata, bye bye. We'll see you soon. Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start our session. Today is day